Hello and welcome to Unruffled Baking. I hope you enjoy today's allergy-friendly recipe.
Today I'm showing you how to make fruit curd. You will need 50 grams of plain flour, 80 grams dairy-free margarine, 200 grams caster sugar, 150 milliliters of lemon or fruit juice. You can use the juice of any fruit, but one with a tart flavour is best. Put the fruit in a blender or a juicer, then run the juice through a sieve to remove any bits. 2 saucepans and a mixing spoon. If you're planning on storing the curd for any amount of time, you'll need to place it in a sterilised jar. Instructions on how to sterilise jars are in the description. Add the fruit juice and sugar to one saucepan. Add the dairy-free margarine to the other saucepan. Place both pans on a low heat. Dissolve the sugar in the fruit juice. Melt the margarine. Once the sugar is dissolved, remove from the heat. Once the margarine is melted, add the flour and stir it in. Turn the heat up to a low-medium. Stir continuously for no more than a minute. Add the fruit juice and sugar to the margarine and flour a little at a time. Stir the curd till it is smooth before adding any more liquid. Once all the liquid is mixed in, remove from the heat and allow to cool. And now you have made fruit curd.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe.